Okay, so sight word activity 2. All right, I call this one sight word, memory word placemat, or fly swatter game. So what you're going to do is you're going to have your student write down some sight words onto a big piece of paper. You can use paper. You could open up a paper bag and use the back of the bag. You could use some wrapping paper, but you want it to be about the size of a placemat. And I just chose a couple different sight words here, at and him and with. I took these from the Dolch list that we are including in this presentation. So you'll have a copy of all the Dolch sight words. And so what we do is you can use a spatula, a fly swatter, you can make your own fly swatter. And what you want your student to do is to look at the words and just slap at them and say them as they do it. Like they might go like this, like at, or up, or her, or with. And you can do them on the front, you can do them on the back, and once you've mastered these words, you can move on to another set of words. But again, the more sight words your student knows, the more confident they will be when they're reading. And this is another great way to practice.